Feel like you're just not moving anywhere in your current business situation? Suffering from analysis paralysis or procrastination sensation when it comes to how you're handling your entrepreneurship? Wondering why you've failed, maybe multiple times, when you think you've tried everything when running your company? We're here to tell you that you're not a tree. You can, in fact, move, and move successfully. We are FatRank, digital nomads who want to help you realize happiness and fulfillment in your professional life. So what do we offer? In our efforts to help entrepreneurs along their journey of success, we dive deep into the mindset of why the majority of businesses fail, mainly because of a lack of action that needs to be taken. In these efforts, we cover all aspects of advanced search engine optimization strategies, as well as ways to effectively grow a large team through onboarding, training, and implemented processes. But don't be mistaken, FatRank is not for those who aren't serious about moving their business forward. We're sometimes brutally honest in our approach, dropping truth bombs whenever necessary to make a point. And that's what separates us from the wannabe digital marketing agencies who are looking to make a quick pound at their clients' expense. Some of the topics we cover include life lessons, change house model, creating your own luck, and things worse than money wasted. And we showcase live successful case studies of failed projects so you can learn from those mistakes. FatRank, the time has come for a serious approach to successful digital tactics. Visit the website to learn more and get started.